ne wamedgie pesa.
Tulo ne omuoche od bura ma Kisii kane bura mar golo jalup gavana Dr. Robert Monda ne oyaw e nyim od burano. MCAs mag ODM mane siro golo jalup gavana ne opogore paro kod jowetegi mag UDA mane nigi dwaro mondo spika oker gino oko. Gimedo ni burano ne okel kaluwore kod ywaruok mar siasa. MCAs madwaro mondo ogol Monda wacho ni otiyo marach kod apisi. Nochuno spika mondo gol oko moko kuom MCAs go kane gichako kelo lwenye od bura. Igeno mondo jalup gavana Robert Monda ochope mbele od burano juma manyien.
Honorable Speaker, the conduct of the deputy governor fly in the face of values and principles of governance enshrined in Article 10 and 232 of the Constitution. They include rule of law, integrity, transparency, accountability, human rights, good governance, fair competition, and merit as a basis of appointment.
It is therefore incumbent upon this House to conduct public participation within 7 days, on which this motion on the removal from office by the way of impeachment of the Deputy Governor, Robert Monda, it is in law, honorable members.
Notice that was given last week on Tuesday is completely different than the motion that was tabled. And the requirement of the standing orders are that when you move the motion must be similar in form and content as the notice that was given.
Whoever was trying to intimidate the deputy governor did not have enough grounds, because the matters that we have here are matters that can be solved at home.